Deadman's Beard Co. Hope you guys peeped the new hat here from Deadman's Beard Co. It does just say Deadman, which I love. It kind of gives like a lifestyle brand. It doesn't scream like beard company or beard logo. It's also a great conversation starter. People come up to you like, what is that? And it's branded bills. This is not what this video is about, but I should introduce the video and myself. My name is Dancy Bearded. I create beard content for a career, and I've linked up with Deadman's, plural, no, possessive, not plural, Deadman's Beard Co. and to make content for their YouTube channel to help you beardos out there. If you appreciate that, make sure you subscribe to their channel. Make sure you like the video, drop a comment down below, hype it if you're on your phone, all that stuff. Today, we're going to talk about the differences, the routine, the application of using a heated brush versus using a blow dryer on your beard. Now, I've used the phrase over and over again, heat plus tension equals direction. And you can do that with a blow dryer plus a brush or a comb. I'm a comb guy. Or you can do it with a heated brush, or third option, with both of them. Full disclosure, almost every single day, I use a blow dryer and a heated brush the same day. It's not a this or that situation. However, it can be. And above all, you don't need to use either. This is not a necessity. This is not a requirement. But if your beard is not moving in the direction you want it to, if your beard is not styling how you want it to, both of these could be an option that fit you. So let's break it down. We're going to start with the blow dryer first. The blow dryer is less impactful with the heat. The blow dryer is really good to get really big beards more straight. On the flip side, the heated brush is more direct and much more straight. If you had to put like a generality, blow dryer more so overall for longer, bigger beards. Heated brush more so overall for shorter beards. The issue with using a heated brush on a huge beard like mine a big beard like mine, using a heated brush is it gets it really straight. You do have temperature differences that you can use, lower is less heat, but it's such direct heat that it's going to straighten it, and in most cases in kind of an unnatural way. On a short beard, though, that's fantastic. Those guys that like to keep it tight to the face, or even have a beard that's maybe 3 inches or so and they like it to be straight down, that's awesome. I don't think we should have stick straight head hair for our beard, right? You notice some texture, you notice some little characters in my beard. I think that's a good thing. So how I approach it, though, is I start with a blow dryer on everything. I go with the medium heat with medium speed throughout my beard, go underneath, and then I finish with a cold shot to kind of lock that styling in. Once I do that, I start my heated brush to heat it up. I go get my shirt on and get my pants on, get dressed. By the time I'm back in the bathroom, the heated brush is ready to go. And I specifically use the heated brush on trouble areas that the blow dryer is just not good at addressing, in my experience, in my opinion, and that would be my mustache and especially below my lower lip. Sometimes on the sides here, even though these are just a unique beast and hard to tame, but I will go once a week or so and kind of flatten everything out and go in different directions. But under here and on my mustache, it's gotta be the heated brush. It just has more tension. It has more control. It's almost like the blow dryer is kind of like giving you the bulk of a sculpture, and then you're going in with the detail work, the chisel with the heated brush. So to kind of wrap this up, you guys, in a huge point here, when you're using heat, I adamantly believe this and adamantly live this. Please make sure it's a damp beard with beard oil first, and then wait 3 to 5 minutes and then use your heat. You don't need a heat protectant spray. You can just simply use Deadman's Beard Co.'s beard oil. It's better than any heat protectant spray I've ever researched or tried myself. Just stick with the beard oil you're using. Save yourself some money. No need to waste money on unneeded products that are out there. That's a big, big, big boost. And then, those of you asking, you're like, damn, this is Deadman's. I get the oil, but I use balm, I use butter. Is it before the heat? Is it after the heat? It's personal preference, but I recommend after the heat, especially if you're using a heated brush. If you have balm or butter in your beard and you run a heated brush through it, it's going to gunk it up, it's going to kill it sooner, and it voids the warranties on almost all the heated brushes that I've seen. So just think about your situation, your goals, your needs, and how you can apply one or the other or both of these tools to help out your styling routine. Deadman's, that I'm aware of, they don't sell either of those tools. This is not in any way, shape, or form a sales video. However, Deadman's makes educational content because the better beard experience you have, the longer you're going to have a beard, the longer you're going to be a customer, the longer you're going to be a part of this community. It's a win-all for everybody. Bang. That was our handshake. Thank you guys for watching today. Please go check out Deadman's Beard Code today. Your beard will thank you, and then you will thank me. Rock on, guys.